Good morning, 2G's parents and kids. I'm teacher Celeste. Okay, today is Monday, and how are you, everybody? Okay, so right now I will ask you some questions so you can answer the questions. Okay, the first one, what's the day today? What's the day today? And your answer. Okay, today is Monday. Today is Monday. And the second question. How's the weather today? How's the weather today? Your answer. Okay, I think today is sunny. Today is sunny. And it's sunny and hot. It's sunny and hot. Question number 3. How do you feel? How do you feel? Please tell me your answer. Okay, Teacher Celeste feels happy today. How about you? Do you feel happy too? Question number 4. What do you want to be in the future? What do you want to be in the future? Can you tell me your answer? Okay, question number 5. Can you tell me what does your mother do? What does your mother do? Your answer? Okay, please tell me your answers, okay? You can tell me your answers. You can show me your answers and send me messages, okay? Are you ready for today's worksheet? Today we are going to talk about Unit 8, worksheet number 4. Are you ready? Okay, let's see part A. Part A, the first part, you have to find out the mistake and correct it. Number 1, we work in an office. We work in an office. Okay, guys, you can see very obviously. The mistake is a. So, how should you correct it? We work in an office? Do you think the answer is good? Of course not, because the first word of this vocabulary office is a, e, a, e. Okay, so number 1, how should you correct it? Please tell me. Oh, I think you already know the answer. We work in an office. We work in an office. This is the answer of number 1. Okay, number 2. Can you read the sentence? Repeat after me. When do you work? When do you work? On the farm. On the farm. Okay, on the farm. The farm is a place. So, can you use when to make a question? Of course not, because the farm is a place. So, how should you correct it? Oh, I think you know the answer, right? When we want to ask, the question is talk about place, you have to use where. Okay, so number 2. Can you read the correct answer? Let's read together. Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work? On the farm. On the farm. Okay, don't forget the W you have to capitalize because this is the first word of the sentence, okay? Okay, number 3, let's repeat after me. Let's read the sentence together. My sisters want to be scientists. My sisters want to be scientists. Okay, I think number 3, you have to mark it. You can draw a star. Okay, because number 3 is very important. Okay, let's see together. My sisters. My sisters. Sisters equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, even more. Okay, so sisters. You cannot use want because sisters, 2 people. Let me tell you again, because my sisters, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe more. Sisters equals to they, so my sisters. Can you say want? Of course not. You have to say my sisters want to be scientists. My sisters want to be scientists. Because sisters, so you have to say scientists. Okay, number 3 is very important. Number 3 is very important. Okay. Okay, let's see question number 4. Can you read the sentence? Repeat after me. What plays a sport? What plays a sport? A soccer player. A soccer player. What plays a sport? A soccer player. Okay, you can see it very clearly. What is the wrong answer? Because here you see a soccer player. A soccer player equals to person. So how should you make a question? You have to use who, because if the answer is talk about person, you have to make a question, and the question WH question is who. Okay, so number 4, let's read the correct sentence again. Who plays a sport? A soccer player. Who plays a sport? A soccer player. Okay, let's see number 5. Let's repeat after me. I have a toothache. I can see a vein. I have a toothache. I can see a vein. What's wrong with the sentence? Okay, toothache. You can see the Chinese translation here. Okay, toothache. If you have a toothache, can you see a vein? Of course not. Okay, so number 5, the answer. I think you already know it, right? When you have a toothache, you should see a dentist. Okay, if you have if you have a toothache, you should see a dentist. Okay, can you please tell me how do you spell dentist? Can you tell me your answer? Okay, let's repeat after me. DENTIST. Okay. So number 5. I have a toothache. I can see a dentist. Okay, so from the first part, let's read again. Ready? Can you repeat after me? Let's read the sentence twice. Okay, let's go. We work in an office. Say it. Very good. Let's read again. We work in an office. You say? Excellent. Okay, let's see number 2. Where do you work? On the farm. Say it. Very good. Okay, let's read again. Where do you work? On the farm. Say it. Very good. Okay, let's go on. Let's see number 3. My sisters want to be scientists. Say it. Great. Let's say again. My sisters want to be scientists. Your answer? Very good. Okay, let's go on to see sentence number 4. Don't forget it. You have to repeat after me and read the sentence twice, okay? I will give you 5 seconds to read it, okay? Let's go. Who plays a sport? A soccer player. Read it. Good. Let's continue. Who plays a sport? A soccer player. Say it. Very good. Okay, let's see sentence number 5. I have a toothache. I can see a dentist. Say it. Let's go again. Read again. I have a toothache. I can see a dentist. Please say it. Okay, very good. Right now, let's see sentence number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Are you ready? Don't forget to take out your highlighter or your red pen to underline the important and the keywords of the sentence. Okay, number 6, let's read together. What does your brother do? What does your brother do? Okay, you can see the Chinese here. This word, even though it's not in the vocabulary list of our word Unit 8, but you can see the vocabulary from your style book, level 3, okay? So what does your brother do? Brother equals to he. So don't forget the answer is he is a pilot. Do you know how to spell pilot? Do you know how to spell pilot? Repeat after me. P-I-L-O-T. Okay, the answer. He is a pilot. Or you can say he's a pilot. He's a pilot. He's equals to he is. Okay. You can also say my brother is a pilot. Okay. So number 6, let's read again. What does your brother do? What does your brother do? He is a pilot. He is a pilot. Or you can say he's a pilot. He's a pilot. Okay, the third one, the answer, you also can say it. My brother is a pilot. My brother is a pilot. Okay. Okay, let's go on. Sentence number 7. Let's read again. Read together. Where do doctors work? Where do doctors work? Okay, the key word of this sentence is where and doctors and doctors, because doctors equals to 2, 3, 4, 5, even more. Okay, so where do doctors work? Where do doctors work? Okay, you can say they, because they, so you just write work. It's okay. You don't have to write they works, okay? Because I, you, we, they, no s. Just write the verb, okay? They work in a hospital. They work in a hospital. Or you can write they work in hospitals. They work in hospitals. In a hospital equals to they work in the same hospital. Okay. They work in hospitals equals to they work in different hospitals. Okay. Or you can write it. Doctors work in a hospital. The same, you also can write it. Doctors work in hospitals. Okay, this is the answer of sentence number 7. Okay. Okay, let's see number 8. Let's read the question together. What does your uncle want to be? What does your uncle want to be? Okay, what does your uncle want to be? What does your uncle want to be? Uncle is a man equals to he, so don't forget it. He, she, it, okay, so what does your uncle want to be? He wants to be artist. How do you spell artist? A-R-T-I-S-T, right? Artist. The first word of this vocabulary is a. Short vowels. A, E, I, So don't forget it. He wants to be an artist. He wants to be an artist. Okay, let's see number 9. Who works with teeth? Who works with teeth? The key word of this sentence is who. Who is asking you about person or people, right? Who works with teeth? Okay, so you can say a dentist works with teeth. A dentist works with teeth. Or you can say dentists work with teeth. Dentists work with teeth. Okay, take care of here. A dentist, because only one, so you have to say works. Okay, let me tell you again. A dentist, only one person, maybe he, maybe she. So a dentist, you have to say works with teeth. Another answer. Dentists work with teeth because dentists 2, 3, 4, 5 equals to they. So dentists work with teeth. Dentists work with teeth. Okay? This is the answer of sentence number 9. Okay, number 10. Let's read the questions together. Who draws and paints pictures? Who draws and paints pictures? Okay, I think you already know the answer, right? Okay, the job is artist, right? So who draws and paints pictures? Artist, don't forget about it. You have to say an artist draws and paints pictures. An artist draws and paints pictures. The same and not the answer. You can say artists draw and paint pictures. Artists draw and paint pictures. The same, an artist, only one person, maybe he or she. So an artist draws and paints pictures. Okay? The other answer, artists, many people. So artists draw and paint pictures. Artists draw and paint pictures. Okay? Okay, next part. We are going to talk about the saying of time. Okay. 5:40. 5:40. You have to use the specific word to. Okay. 5:40. So here you have to say 20 to 6. 20 to 6. Number 2. 9:15. 9:15. You have to use the specific word past. Okay, because 15 is a very important word. 15 is a very important word. You have to say quarter past 9. Quarter past 9. Okay. Quarter past 9. Okay. Number 13. 12:30. 12:30. You have to use a very specific word, past. Okay? 30, you have to use the word half. Half. Okay? So half past 12. Half past 12. Okay. So let's read again. 5:40, you have to write 20 to 6. 20 to 6. Okay. 9:15. 9:15. 9:15. 12:30. 12:30. 12:30. Okay? Here, I want to review how to use the time saying correctly. How to use the time saying correctly. Okay? Let's continue. Okay. There are 24 hours. There are 24 hours in a day. Right? Okay, we can using 12 hours. For example, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, right? For here, you have to tell me AM or PM. Understand? Only when you are using 12 hours, you have to tell me AM and PM. Okay. For example, you can say it's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. This one is okay. But can you say it's 18 o'clock? It's 18 o'clock? No. Okay. So if you want to say o'clock, only when you're using 12 hours. Understand? Okay. Okay, number 2. We have to tell you about how to use past and to. How to use past and to. Okay. There are 60 minutes, right? There are 60 minutes, right? Okay. From 1 minute to 30 minutes. From 1 minute to 30 minutes. Okay, you have to use past and to. Okay, from 1 minute, you have to use past. Okay. The same, there are 60 minutes, right? From 31 minutes to 59. You have to use to. Okay? Understand? From 1 minute to 30 minutes, you have to use past. From 31 minutes to 59 minutes, you have to use to. For example, if right now is 8:20, if right now is 8:20, 20 is from 1 minute to 30 minutes. So how should you write it? You have to say it's 20 past 8. It's 20 past 8. Okay, it's 20 past 8. Okay, another example. If right now is 8:50. If right now is 8:50, because 50 is from 31 minutes to 59 minutes. So you have to say it's 10 to 9. It's 10 to 9. Okay. Here, I will tell you in Chinese because this is a little bit difficult. Okay. 好，这边呢，我们要讲到时间的用法是 past 跟 to。好，这个也是英检3级我们在考时间的部分很重要的一个地方。好，那这边我们再说一次哦 ，past 跟 to 的用法。1个小时里面会有60分钟。那我们从1分开始，好，分钟为单位，1分 1 minute to 30 minutes， 1分到30分的时候，我们要用的是 past。OK， 从1分到30分的时候，我们要用的是 past。OK， 好，我们直接来看例子，譬如说8点20分，20它是在1分到30分这个范围里面的，所以我们必须要用 It's 20 past 8. It's 20 past 8. 那我们再多举一个例子，譬如9点10分，9点10分，10也是在1分和30分这个中间，所以 It's 10 past 9. It's 10 past 9. 注意前面这个20还有这里的 10都是代表的是分钟，那么后面这个 8代表的是几点 hour 的意思。OK， 这个是 past 的用法。好，那紧接着来看小朋友比较容易混淆的 to。好，60 minutes, 31 minutes to 59 minutes。好，超过30分钟之后是31分到59分。OK， 那我们直接来看例题。8点50的话，我们要用 It's 10 to 9. It's 10 to 9， 意思就是在10分钟就9点，在10分钟就9点。OK， 注意50已经超过30分了，所以只要是31分 31 minutes to 59 minutes， 我们记得就要用 to。OK， It's 10 to 9， 在10分钟就9点的意思。好，那我们直接再来看另外一个例句，譬如11点55分，我们也可以说 It's 5 to 12. It's 5 to 12. 再5分钟就12点。OK， 这两个的用法是小朋友会比较容易忘记的。OK， 再重复一次哦。There are 60 minutes in an hour, right? From 1 minute to 30 minutes, you have to use past. Okay, for example, 8:20. It's 20 past 8. It's 20 past 8. 20 minutes. 8 it's hour. Okay. It's 10 past 9. It's 10 past 9. 10 equals to minutes 分钟。9 equals to hour 小时，也就是几点。Okay, there are 60 minutes in an hour. From 31 minutes to 59 minutes, you have to use 2. Okay, look here. 8:50, you have to say it's 10 to 9. It's 10 to 9. Okay, it's 10 to 9. 在10分钟就9点。Next one, it's 5 to 12. It's 5 to 12. 在5分钟就12点。在5分钟就12点。Okay, this is very important. Number 3, we want to talk about the using of have. Have equals to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, so for example, nine 30. How should you write it? You can say it's have. Okay, don't forget it. 30 is from 1 minute to 30 minutes. So it's half past or 2. Past or 2. You have to use it's half past 9. It's half past 9. Okay? Next one. I want you to remember how should you use quarter. Quarter equals to 15 and 45. 15 and 45. Okay, let's see the example. For example, how should you write it? It's quarter past or 2. Past or 2. Don't forget it. 15 is from 1 minute to 30 minutes, right? So you have to say it's quarter past 8. It's quarter past 8. Okay, another example. Don't forget it when you see 15 and 45, okay? You have to say it's quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Okay, here. 45 is from 31 minutes to 59 minutes. So you have to use 2. Okay, it's quarter to 9. It's quarter to 9. Okay? 好，这边 Teacher Celeste 一样，我们再稍微用一点点的中文来解释。看到 half 这个字，代表是半，就是30的意思。譬如说9点半的时候 ，it's half past 9. It's half past 9. 为什么这边是用 past 呢？已经在刚刚我们有说过这个很重要的观念，从1分到30分以内，我们都是要用 past。OK？ 好，所以9点半的用法的说法就是 it's half past 9。OK？ 好，接下来是 quarter 这个字 ，quarter 是代表什么意思呢？就是15分和45分。在时间单位里面的15分和45分，我们要用 quarter 这个单字。那我们直接来看一下，譬如说8点15 ，it's quarter。注意哦，15分也是在1分到30分以内，所以这边很重要，你还是要用 past 这个字。好 ，it's quarter past 8。OK， 记得前面都是先讲分钟 minute。后面是讲小时。好，那么到8点45分的时候呢，一样再重复一次，看到15跟45，我们都要用 quarter 这个字。那 it's quarter， 为什么这里要用 to？ 因为已经超过31分了，这个非常重要哦。31分 31 minutes to 59 minutes， 我们就要用 to。OK， 所以这边是 it's quarter to 9。It's quarter to 9， 意思就是在15分钟就9点，在15分钟就9点。那我们可以归纳出一个重点，就是 从1分到30分以内的话，除了用 past 之外，基本上就是你前面看到的是几点，像这个8点后面的就是8点，没有问题。OK， 好，那如果从31分开始 31 minutes to 59 minutes 这边开始的话呢，我们就要用 to 这个介系词。那注意，它后面的小时的单位就要往后加，譬如说 it's 10。不好意思，比如说这个 it's 10 to 9， it's 10 to 9， 再10分钟就9点。OK， it's 5 to 12， it's 5 to 12， 再5分钟就12点。那以此类推，我们看到遇到8点45，记得15、45都要用 quarter 这个单字，所以8点45我们就要说 it's quarter to 9。It's quarter to 9，OK， 好，这个就是英检3级小朋友会比较容易混淆的地方。好，那最后我们就要来复习咯。Okay, let's review. Okay, if you want to talk about in the morning, okay, in the afternoon, in the afternoon. We don't say in the afternoon, in the afternoon, because THE connect to the short vowels. We have to say in the afternoon, okay? We can say in the evening. In the evening, the same here. So in the, not in the. Okay, let's repeat after me. In the morning. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. In the evening. In the evening. Okay, but there is one word. It is very special. We have to say at night. At night. Can you say in the night? No, we say at night. At night. Okay? So, let's review again. There are 24 hours in a day, right? Okay. You can say it's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Can you say it's 13 o'clock? No. Okay. Only 12 hours. AM, PM. You can say it's 6 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Or you can say it's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's 6 o'clock at night. Okay, but we do not say it's 18 o'clock. No. Okay. Next one, past and to. Past and to. There are 60 minutes in an hour. From 1 minute to 30 minutes, we have to use past. From 31 minutes to 59 minutes, we have to use to. For example, it's 20 past 8. It's 20 past 8. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. 8 equals to hour. It's 10 past 9. It's 10 past 9. Okay? It's 10 to 9. It's 10 to 9 equals to 10 minutes more, it will be 9 o'clock. 10 minutes more, it will be 9 o'clock. Okay? It's 5 to 12. It's 5 to 12. 5 minutes more, it will be 12 o'clock. 5 minutes more, it will be 12 o'clock. Okay? Half equals to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. For example, it's 9:30. It's 9:30. You can say it's half past 9. It's half past 9. Okay? Next one, quarter. Quarter. 15 or 45 minutes. 15 or 45 minutes. For example, 8:15, you can say it's quarter past 8. It's quarter past 8. Okay, 8:45, it's quarter to 9. It's quarter to 9. Okay, and the last one, we already knew it, right? it's very important from our daily lives. Okay, for example, I get up in the morning. I get up in the morning. Okay, I take a nap in the afternoon. I take a nap in the afternoon because a, e are short vowels. So we say in the afternoon. Okay. Next one, you can say, I do my homework in the evening. I do my homework in the evening. Okay, the same because a, e are short vowels. So in the evening. Okay, the last one, you can say, I go to bed at night. I go to bed at night. Okay, so repeat again. I get up in the morning. Say it. I take a nap in the afternoon. Say it. Okay, let's continue. I do my homework in the evening. Say it. And the last one, I go to bed at night. Okay, this is today's worksheet. Okay, and some illustrations of the time, how to using the time, how to say it, how to write it correctly. Okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow.